Welcome back to another video of 10 summer 2024 outfit ideas. For first outfit you can style white shirt with cream pants and black loafers. Next you can try green shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try cream printed shirt with brown pants and white sneakers. Next you can try tan t-shirt with brown printed pants and white sneakers. Next you can try cream polo t-shirt with navy blue pants and cream loafers. Next you can try blue denim shirt with brown pants and brown loafers. Next you can try white shirt with white pants and white and sky blue sneakers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with black pants and white sneakers. Next you can try white t-shirt with black pants and brown loafers. Next you can try navy blue shirt with green shorts and white sneakers.